Well, the Vatican reporting today a setback in the recovery of Pope Francis. A spokesman says the Pope suffered a bronchial spasm. Doctors described it as a coughing fit in which he inhaled vomit. It required putting him on non-invasive ventilation, meaning he was not intubated. The Vatican says he is responding well to treatment and remained conscious and alert at all times. The 88-year-old Pope has been hospitalized for 2 weeks with respiratory problems that turned into pneumonia and other complications. Doctors said it would take about 24 to 48 hours to determine whether the crisis got worse and made the Pope's condition worse.